UG diplomas are extremely popular programs to pursue in Canada among Indian students mainly due to the following factors: affordability, short duration programs, lucrative 3-year work stay back option, and they accept students with 6 bands with 6 in each and IELTS. But did you know the most popular and in demand UG diplomas you can pursue after 12th? Let us discuss a few in today's video. Hey guys, my name is Shivang, and in today's video let us talk about the top 10 UG diplomas in Canada to pursue in 2023. Canada has always been one of the most popular countries for Indian students, with a whole lot of them choosing to study a UG diploma after completing their 12th. This trend is expected to continue this year as well. To give you a rough idea, UG diplomas are for a duration of 2 to 2.5 years and can cost anywhere between 30,000 to 35,000 Canadian dollars or 18 to 21 lakh rupees. Let us dive straight in. Number 1 on my list is engineering. Engineering is a popular and highly regarded STEM course, and a diploma opens gates to many job opportunities. There are a lot of engineering diplomas which you can choose to do, such as marine engineering, construction engineering technician, power engineering, chemical engineering, among others. Some of the top colleges which offer a UG diploma in engineering disciplines include Matrix, Loyalist, Northern Lights, Niagara, Centennial, Conestoga, and Georgian College. Second on my list is nursing. Careers in healthcare are one of the most sought after career paths not only in Canada but around the world. And nursing as a medical career path not only offers massive scope and high salaries but also quality work. Some good colleges for UG diplomas in this field include Conestoga College, Confederation College, Durham College, Canadore College, Humber College, and Northwest College. Next up on my list is finance and accounting. In case you're wanting to become an accountant, auditor, management consultant, portfolio manager, or an investment banker, then this course is for you. It will not only hone the essential knowledge and skills to achieve success in the global financial services industry, but also equip you with the vital qualities required in accounting, corporate finance, management consulting, and taxation. A list of popular colleges includes Centennial, Loyalist, Sheridan, Durham, Lambton College, and BCIT. Fourth on my list is applied computing. The primary reason why this diploma is so famous is because we are living in a world that is almost ruled by technology, and also because it is one of the highly sought after programs all over. Gain skills in mobile development, web development, database administration, distributed programming techniques through various practical and theoretical courses. There are various career options that you can choose from after graduating, which include software developer, analyst, UI UX designer, etc. Some of the top colleges which offer a UG diploma in applied computing include Douglas, Bow Valley, Fraser International, Columbia, Matrix, and Northern Lights College. Number 5 on my list is journalism. In case you're wanting to become a videographer, entertainment host, digital journalist, documentary filmmaker, investigative reporter, or an editor in various sectors of television, radio, digital journalism, and social media, a diploma in journalism is an ideal program. A list of popular colleges includes Seneca, Conestoga, Niagara, Humber, St. Clair, and Sheridan College. Sixth on my list is marketing. If your interest lies in gaining a deeper understanding of branding, marketing strategy, consumer research, digital marketing, and are looking to become a marketing or a brand manager, this course will update and sharpen your existing marketing skills and knowledge. Some good colleges in this field include Canadian, Canadore, Conestoga, Confederation, George Brown, Durham, and Humber College. Next up on my list is business management. It is an ideal program for students with a commerce and business background. A UG diploma in business management is one of the most popular programs for international students because of one major reason, that is great employability. Some good institutions include Alexander, Bow Valley, Canadian, Canadore, Douglas, Durham, and Fleming College. 8 on my list is supply chain and logistics. A diploma in supply chain and operations will help analyze business processes to improve productivity, develop a master production schedule by using materials requirement planning, balancing supply and demand, and constructing a detailed project management plan. Some good institutions include Conestoga College, Douglas College, George Brown College, Seneca College, and Northwest College. Number 9 on my list is travel and tourism. It is the fastest growing global industry, having been impacted the most during COVID-19 pandemic. Even with so many self-service travel websites, the industry is ever changing and constantly on the rise, which means now more than ever, there is a need for knowledgeable travel and tourism professionals. Some good colleges include Centennial, Fanshawe, Humber, Seneca, St. Clair, and Sheridan College. And last up on my list is biotechnology. When it comes to studying biotechnology in Canada, it is a thorough field of study that combines biochemical, chemical, and microprinciples in research to serve social development. The field is a branch of biology along with other disciplines such as health sciences, agriculture, food sciences, medicine, biological pedagogy, ecology, and the environment. Across Canada, 33% of biotechnology and life sciences employers account for skill shortage, and 20% have job vacancies in their companies. The scope of biotechnology in Canada is massive and offers various job opportunities to international students. Some of the top colleges which offer a UG diploma in biotechnology include Matrix, Northwest, Conestoga, Seneca, Sterling, and Douglas College. Want to study in Canada but not sure where to start? Book a personalized counseling session with one of our top counselors and we will help you fulfill your dream of studying in one of the best colleges in Canada. Check out the link in the description box below. Hope you liked today's video, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Also, let me know which topic you will like me to cover in the next video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.